8. Practical activity 8.22. Open days index.xls. Create an index function in cell C10 to find the full name of the 5th day of the week. So we have to use an index function in cell C10. I've already done that for you. So we can use index over here. Get this as the array. The row number will be 5th because we have to find the 5th, and 2 because we want to get the day. So index can be used as a two-dimensional searching, where you can search row-wise and vertical-wise. So select the range first, give the number of the row, then give the number of the column, right? Next, what we have to do is create an index function in cell C12 to find 3-letter version of the 2nd day of the week. So for 2nd day of the week, we have used over here the same range, and we have used over here is B8, okay, because we want to find over here, sorry, 2, because the 2nd day of the week, and comma 1, because we want to get the data back from the same column, right? And then what we have is create an index function in B16, B17, B18 to find the 3-letter version, full name, German names of the day number input by the user in cell F14. The index function should work for any value between 1 and 7. So what we've done over here is, user will enter any number of the week, and using index function, again, we select this range, and we enter over here is F14, because what we have in F14 is this 2, that is the row number, which means 2nd day of the week, and comma 1, right? Comma 1, because get the data from the first column where we have just 3-digit number. Then we use this over here, same, we have this range, comma 2 means I want to get the data from the 2nd column and 2nd row. So actually it's instead of this, frankly, we can use is this same way, right? So get the data from here and this, and over here we have is we want German, so that's our range. Row is over here, okay, in F14, and 3 is where we want the German name of the day. So index function can be used as a two-dimensional function to find the data compared with the rows and the column.